Goosebumps as my heart pumps, the blood pounding in my head. I reach out with my magic, still a little fearful of the dead. In those goosebumps, and the voice hum, energy vibrating, thinking of silly rhymes like red rum. Goosebumps and childish feet thump on the ground, an echoing sound that is definitely there until I turn around. And I feel my goosebumps with the wind grazing against my skin with this veil so thin that wheel, oh how it continues to spin. When the primordial beginning, all this magic starts to dump into my bone and blood, and the heart pumps, hair stands on end as the goosebumps take me around that bend. Which is a word said firmly on my lips as the magic twists. Add my name to the never-ending list of those who feel the power that begins with this. Goosebumps.